In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Mailchimp. This is a powerful way to capture leads, promote products, or grow your email list using a dedicated standalone page built directly inside your Mailchimp account. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional landing page ready to publish and start collecting leads. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Mailchimp. Once the website loads, log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you're signing into the correct account where you want your landing page and audience data to be stored. After logging in, look over to the left-hand navigation menu. Here, you'll find a button labeled Create. Click on it, and a menu will appear showing different campaign options. From this list, select Landing Page. This will take you into Mailchimp's Landing Page Builder, where you can start creating your page from scratch. Next, you'll be asked to enter a name for your landing page. Choose something clear and descriptive so you can easily identify it later, especially if you plan to create multiple pages for different campaigns. Below that, you'll need to select the audience. This step is very important because any leads or subscribers collected through this landing page will be added directly to this audience list. Make sure you select the correct one. Once you've entered the name and selected your audience, click Begin to move forward. Now, Mailchimp will show you a selection of templates. These templates are designed for different purposes, such as lead generation, product promotion, or growing your email list. Take a moment to scroll through and preview them. Choosing the right template can save you a lot of time because each one already includes layouts and sections tailored to specific goals. Pick the one that best matches what you want to achieve. After selecting your template, you'll be taken to the landing page editor. This is where you customize everything. On the screen, you'll see drag and drop blocks that make editing simple and flexible. You can click on any section to change the text, upload images, adjust colors, or modify buttons. Take your time here to make your landing page visually appealing and aligned with your brand. Add a strong headline, a clear description, and a compelling call to action to encourage visitors to sign up or take action. You can also add forms, images, and other elements to improve engagement and increase conversions. The more clear and focused your page is, the better results you'll get. Before finishing, it's a good idea to review everything carefully. Check for spelling errors, make sure links work properly, and confirm that your design looks good on both desktop and mobile. Once you're satisfied with your landing page, click Save and Close. Your landing page is now ready to be published and shared with your audience. And that's it. You've successfully created a landing page in Mailchimp, giving you a powerful tool to grow your audience and promote your offers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical guides. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help.